Cause I'm stealth camping.
I think I overfilled it. Definitely still wrong. Not a good idea. This will not do. Thank you, Starbucks.
You ready? Oh, bam!
Find a restroom pee. Look kind of crazy walking around the store. Yes, we are indeed gonna sleep at my friend's house without him knowing. So that's where we're headed right now. Let's start the car and we're off. Feeling refreshed, feeling rejuvenized, the calories in. I think I'm ready for the night. Can't wait to show you what this no build self camping setup I have, van life, whatever you call it, setup I have right here. Once we get to the house, I didn't think it'd be this easy to sleep in a Tesla, a sedan Tesla, but it is, and I will show you how I'm going to do it. We are here. We have just arrived. Most of the lights on in the car right now. Give you a panoramic view. Yes. So that is where we are right now. Let's get started to set up the bed. I mean, the bed is back there, but put up the privacy curtains and set up my lights. Hopefully it'll feel homey as it did when I was eating. So I got these curtains right here that I'm gonna put up to cover the front windshield and the first two windows right up there. Pull this over the head press. This way we can still see the entertainment system. I did buy some tape. Yeah. Up. Bam. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So yes, that is it. That is how we do it. Alright, time to set up the bed. Right now, camera like 2 foot away from the windshield. Got my pillows up here. I got my infant baby mattress right here. Right here. 3-inch mattress. I'm gonna set up my blankets for the night. Oh yeah. Mattress is all set. Got my pillow right here. Hopefully nobody can see me right now. I'll go outside and see if anyone can see anything suspicious going on in here. Cause the front windows are covered, the front windshield is covered, the back windows are pretty well tinted. Don't think I'm bringing a lot of attention to myself right now, but we'll see when I get the outside angle. I mean, I think you guys are probably seeing it right now. This is gonna be my sleeping position, like this. And then I get to look at the stars. Well, actually, I think it's just a tree. But bring the pillows back here. Like this. This is where I'm sleeping tonight. This is strangely very comfortable, actually. I think besides the fact that I can't raise up my knees all the way, I can raise it up, but not too high. It's very comfortable. Imagine just having a laptop right here and just watching a show while you look into the stars if you're laying on a field. So I did bring a portable battery bank. It's a pretty big one. Someone just came home right across the street. Hopefully they don't see that I'm in here, or hopefully they don't care. But I have my iPhone charger in here so I can charge my phone. I can plug in my plug, so if I have lights, I'll plug it in. I did bring a couple of lights, so I'll plug it in. It also just has a light on there too. So that's pretty cool. Look at that. It's a party up in here. What color? What color? We're doing blue? Let's do red. Now let's do blue. No. My favorite color, teal. Pigeonhole, yeah. I'm a night owl. If that's not enough, bam. Turn off the lights. Oh shoot. No. Here, let me bring you guys over here. Alright, so let me show you what's cool about the Tesla. So, the one thing I'm worried about when I'm camping out in my car is the ventilation. So in my Honda Civic, I bought like fly nets and then window guards to open or crack the window whenever I'm planning to sleep in there. But in the Tesla, they have camp mode. So I can just set the temperature in the car and then turn on camp mode. The car just kind of ventilates itself, so then I have fresh air to breathe and there's less condensation. The whole car is powered by electricity, so I don't have to worry too much about electric box running out of electricity like normal cars. If I want to, I can turn on the fireplace. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, you got the dash cam, nice. It's like I have security cameras out here, yeah? Let's look at other features. Romance. Get cozy. Nice. This is my lighting setup right now for the car. Not gonna lie, this is pretty cozy. Like, my pillows fell down, but this is where I'd be sleeping. The lights in the car, I am fully stretched. A lot of leg room. I do have that light in the car right now, but let's see what it looks like from the outside. The windows are pretty tinted and then I have the front covered, so let's see what it looks like from the outside. So that's what it looks like from the outside. Pretty stealthy. I wouldn't know someone's in there, and the lights are pretty bright in there too. So I mean, if you look from right here, you can't see the inside if you're up close, but once I turn that off, no one's going to be able to see that I'm in there. This is the front view. Can't really see anything from the front view. And then the back view. Let's get in there and watch some Netflix. Oh wow. The heat is coming out of the flames. Cozy means it's actually turning up the heater. I don't need the heat right now. Yep. Right in front of Sean's house. I'll just be sleeping, watching my Netflix. But he's never going to know. You know why? 'Cause I'm stealth camping. I'm stealth camping. When one light is not enough, you turn on the other one. Bam. Now the party started. Getting way too comfortable in here. Let me turn off the lights. Look at that view. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Was very annoying because we were taking our photos, doing our first look.
He step on the football field when he misses a ball.
Yes, I'm just leaving it. There's this bright street light that shines in my eye. I've just been every time the street lights come on, it reminds me of the day passing. Another day gone, another day further away from another day closer to death. I thought grief from a lost one was something you kind of just move on from. It's really bad the first day or week or month, but eventually it goes away, was what I thought. But I've learned recently, within the past couple of years, that it's actually the opposite. At first, you're in shock, you're overwhelmed, but it's sort of an artificial sadness. Oh, they're gone. I feel sad because of the thought of not having them here anymore. But the real sadness doesn't come until later. Over time, it turns into silence. That's when the real sadness comes. Every single day that passes, you think about them. With every new memory you make, every milestone you hit, every accomplishment that you achieve, you're becoming more of a person, and they'll never get to see it. The more you achieve, the more you accomplish, the more you go through, the more you want to tell them, but they're not there for you to tell them, and so it feels like every single day you're drifting further away from them. And yet, that emptiness gives me life. I had something real, something so special that even time can't erase. There's nothing more pure than a mother's love that lives. So what am I even doing right now? You know? What am I even doing right now? I should save this to go camping in like Canada or something. Like, go home and cuddle with my loved ones. That's what I gotta do.